Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. You need to start by opening Sound Recorder app. Now to start your recording, click on this red button. Then select Allow in the pop-up. As you can see, recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it using the same middle button. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on this left one. Now you can name it however you wish to, and in order to save it, choose Confirm. To access list of all your recordings, click on this right button with 3 lines. To play one of them, just click on it. As you can, if you wish to delete it though, choose Edit at the top right corner. Tap on the recording that you wish to get rid of and click on Delete at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!